In this video, we are going to show you the best makeup products with sunscreen in the marketplace. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We have given enough time in research to select these products. If you are looking for the best makeup products with sunscreen, this video is for you. Stay with the video to last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the video description for links to find out the price of the item. Let's get started. Number 1. Tarte BB Tinted Treatment 12-Hour Prime. This BB cream from Tarte is a versatile multi-use product that acts as both a primer to go under the rest of your makeup as well as a tinted cream that provides light coverage to your skin when applied on its own. It works as a primer, moisturizer, lightweight foundation, and sunscreen. Check video description to get more details. Number 2. Mary Kay Foundation Primer Sunscreen. This foundation primer from Mary Kay is infused with SPF 15 to provide you with a base of all-over sun protection. The formula is lightweight and is free of any oils in order to ensure that it feels smooth and fresh on your skin and never feels heavy or greasy. The primer immediately minimizes the visible appearance of pores, fine lines, and signs of aging when it is applied to the skin. It is also formulated without fragrances and is non-comedogenic in order to prevent any harmful irritation to sensitive skin. Check video description to get more details. Number 3. Maybelline Color Sensational Matte Lip Color. This lipstick from Maybelline is a richly pigmented lipstick that is infused with SPF 15 sun protection in order to shield the delicate skin of your lips from any potential damage from the sun's harmful rays. Immediately upon application, the lipstick nourishes and moisturizes your lips. It is infused with natural honey nectar that hydrates your lips for a smooth and soft flawless finish. Check video description to get more details. Number 4. COOLA Suncare Mineral Sunscreen. This mineral sunscreen from COOLA can be applied under your makeup in order to provide your skin with a matte base that blurs the appearance of visible fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, and other imperfections. It is formulated with SPF 30 sun protection in order to prevent your face from getting burned or damaged from the sun throughout the day. Check video description to get more details. Number 5. Maybelline Moisture Extreme Lipstick. This uber moisturizing lipstick from Maybelline is perfect for a day at the pool, the beach, or anywhere else where you are consistently out in the sun. It glides on smoothly and offers long-lasting conditioning moisture that leaves your lips feeling soft and smooth. Check video description box. We provide all the Amazon product links. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.